Hilsenburg traffic, Golf Lima Sierra Oscar rolling. Climber circuit altitude turning towards London, 2,500 feet.
No power set. Gauges on the green. Airspeed's
Yep.
alive. 55. There we go.
Nice crosswind.
Yep.
Alright, hit BY. Hilsenburg traffic, Golf Lima Sierra Oscar, turning to left downwind 26 for a full stop.
Here now it's the increased performance wind shear. So
Yep.
now we're climbing. After we exit, we're gonna go down like a rock.
Alright.
There we go. So add the power a little bit. There we go. Now we're exit. There we go. Now we're gonna bring the power back.
I got lots of speed here. Extra high that time.